Hey guys, appreciate you clicking on this video and watching today. What we're going to do today is we're going to fish a little creek, and we're going to try this CreekLife Lure Company spider. Now, I didn't have these when I went on the wade. I only had one. It was in a assortment pack, and it done so well I immediately came home and ordered me some. So that's how good they work. So keep on watching. You're gonna see how they perform, and I think you're gonna like them too. So stay tuned. Appreciate it. Got this CreekLife spider tied on. Got that on a 1/64 ounce Mulejig. See what we can't pull out of this little hole right here. Got a little bite. There we go. They like that spider. First little rock bass. Look here. Well, they like that spider. Definitely going to have to get some of those. Got my rod tip wrapped up here. Like that spider. There's another bite. I hope it doesn't get tore up too bad. That came in a sample pack. I only have the one. It's really working. There's a bite. Got him. Got him. Little bass. That's the 3 fish, 3 species on the spider. Wanted that. There's another one. Another little rock bass. CreekLife spider getting it done. I tried the Helgramite, the crawl, the creek shark. They want this spider. This looks awful fishy. Oh, he's a fighter. I believe we have caught a trout. We have try to get him released without fooling with him much. There you. I'll go ahead and can't quite reach him. Go ahead and get my hands a little wet here. Come on up, come on up there. Come on up here. Nice colors. Beautiful pink. Okay. We're all tied back up now. Got my reel wet. That was another one. I have found the trout hole, I believe. This poor spider's getting destroyed. Nice little sunfish. Thank you, buddy. I see an orange belly. Come here, you. Beautiful. Like that spider. Thank you, buddy. Decent little creek bass. There he goes. Immediately. As soon as it hit the water. Thank you, buddy. kidding me, right? Okay, we're done with that little trip. That Creek Life Lure Company spider really really impressed me. I don't know how many fish we caught on it, but there at the end it was just too far gone, and I'm going to get some new tires on my truck, so I had to cut a little short today. But appreciate you coming along with me. Going to be putting out some more videos hopefully really soon, and I appreciate your support. So until next time, we'll see you.